So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Moffat Chemiati and thank you so much for making time to watch this video. Now today I'm going to show you how to install Adobe Premiere, and I already have the setup. If you don't have, I will leave a link in the description for you to download the Adobe Premiere for video editing. Before that, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification for uh, for future reference, or when I upload a new video you'll be able to watch. Now let's let's go to the file where I saved my video. It's here. This is the file. I'm gonna open it. Then it asks for the password. I enter the password. Now here's the setup for the Adobe Premiere. I know it's gonna take quite some time. So meanwhile, tell me where you're watching me from or where you're listening this audio from. I would love to hear from you. And by the way, I have a story. I want to tell you a story. There was this cousin of mine who told me that he also invited a cousin uh, from uh, from the village, and they were staying together at their home. Him, the friend, now him is the cousin, the friend, and uh, and the mother and the father, they were staying in the same house but different rooms. And that house kulikuanga na maid, we had a house help, a house manager. So the visitor now was attracted to the maid, and and went and talked to the maid, the house manager, the house help. So ule house help akaingia box. He agreed that they'll be dating. They became boyfriend and girlfriend. So time of meeting, they were meeting when all people are asleep. So nyi mkilala, wao wako on. So they were meeting at around 11 up to maybe 2 p.m. So one day, they've been doing that for maybe like a week. So one day, the house manager slept early. And as usual, when the, the, the visitor, now the cousin to my cousin, assumed, of course, a cousin to a cousin is also my cousin, so that cousin also assumed that as normal they'll be meeting. So they went, they used their normal signals. They would go and maybe knock on the window where that house manager was living, like that. So I knock like 3 times. Just know that the cousin is around. All right. So the house manager slept very early. So that knock went straight to the mother. Mother was not asleep. Was not asleep at that time. So she heard someone knocking, and let's call that house manager called Mary. So they were like, Mary, Mary, Aki babe, nimekam, I'm here to come, like usual. So the mother had, na akafungua mlango. Hope you watch this video to the end. I'll come back with part 2 of what happened. So it's done extracting the files. It was taking quite a long period of time. So let's give it some time. It has to bring a pop-up for a setup. There we go. So we click on, do you want to allow this app from a non-publisher to make changes to our device? Why not? Yes, there we go. There we go. This Premiere Pro 2023. Continue. There we go. It's gonna take a little while. Meanwhile, subscribe to my channel. Tell me what other softwares you want me to do, and I'll do them for you. Yes. So what happened? The mother opened the door. That cousin went like normally as they would hug. Like, oh man, do you know what happened? We got some slaps and stopped to leave the following day in the morning. And they left. So next time, simu zilisaidia maze. Okay? Yep, such a boring story. I know. But what do you do? Let me pause. I'll come back when it's done installing. Okay? It was taking forever. It's now at 87%. Gonna wait for a little while. Meanwhile, subscribe to my channel. And there we go. We have successfully installed Premiere Pro 2023. Now, let's see how it is. I don't know. There you go. Let's see the interface, the dashboard. It's taking time. Did it open? Let's give it time. What is it saying? That system compatibility report unsupported video drive. Let's see if we can fix it. No internet. Let me click here the internet. But we just wanna see how it is. Let's continue with issues. With the non-issues. Look at the splash screen. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much for the developers, Adobe Creative Cloud. Artwork by Natalia Seth. Shout out to her. For more details and level notices, go to about we'll just continue with the issues. Don't know how to solve them. Let me check the internet. Hello? Safi. We're in Africa. So it's still loading. Give it time. There you go. Look at this beautiful welcome screen. So you can create a new project here. No, I don't have videos, I don't have work. No. And here, exit. No. It says you cannot exit. This compatibility, I don't know if we can unsupported driver. Let me check if we can. There we go. It's downloading. Let's see. But meanwhile, continue with this. Look at that. Oh, when you do this, it plays. Okay. Look at that. Very nice. Let's create a new project. This is how it is. You name the project. Like, thank you so much for watching this video. This is how it is. This is how it is. Thank you so much for watching this video and consider subscribing to my channel. Have a good day.